The 8-day plant. So you are making a tea with the
A
leaves.
tea with the leaves. Don't use flowers.
Okay.
Tea. It will be open. Nice and open. Look.
Yeah.
Look here. Those flowers.
My God, they are so beautiful.
Beautiful flowers here. Look here.
They are all over again, in
Yes.
between the aliens.
Yes. This one is the herb.
Yes.
They call it Imbepo.
Imbepo.
Imbepo. We use this one for steaming
Yeah.
or for smoking. Like you burning and then smoke. Like that
Smell.
Yes, that smell.
It's
Also,
cleaning.
it's
space.
cleaning also. And also for if you want to clean your darkness.
Yeah.
You see? Let's say you've got a bad luck.
Yes.
Then you steam this. You can drink it also.
Wonderful.
This one. So it helps a lot.